Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW R3 Pro watch, and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on your phone with this watch. Before we start, if you want to control the music on your phone with this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the GloryFit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open some kind of music player on our phone. For example, I'm gonna open the YouTube app, but you can use Spotify, Tidal and stuff like that. Once you open the music app, you can wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the side button. Then you can swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the option called Music and tap on it to open the music controls. And here we can control the music on our phone. For example, we can, let me lower the volume of this sound for now. We can do a couple things. We can play or pause the music by tapping on the play or pause button. Like this. We can go to the next song by tapping on the next button. We can skip, or rather go back to the previous song by tapping on the back button. Like this. And that's about all. We can play, pause, skip, or go forward or go backwards. And once you're done controlling the music, you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. Okay. And that's how you control the music on your phone with this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.